Hello everyone, welcome back to Skill Deck channel. My name is Richa. I'm back again with the next video, and today's video is on your requirement. Yes, the main topic what you all are asking me to record. I know you have got the point, you have got the hint. Yes, we are going to talk about organization structure today. I got so many queries, even emails on my LinkedIn that I should create the video on this topic. So I have prepared this video now for you all. We are going to learn in this video what are the different types of organization structure, what are the tools I can use to build an organization structure as per my company requirement, what organization structure is best suited. These are all things we are going to learn in this video. So stay tuned, watch the video till end, hit like, comment, share, and keep commenting and let me know what are the other topics I should prepare for you all. I'm just planning that we will be having a live Q&A. For that also, you'll be getting updates very soon. Keep visiting our website www.theskilldeck.com. Watch our upcoming courses. Stay tuned to the Skill Deck channel to know more about this. Now for this video, let's go and let's start learning what is an organization structure. There are so many types of structures which we use to build an organization structure, like functional structure, divisional structure, flat hierarchy, network, metrics, and every structure use case is different. So before we start using the structure, we need to understand the meaning of the structure and where we can use such structures. So we will start first with the functional structure. What is a functional structure? The functional structure groups employ as per their skills, roles, functions. Each department will operate independently and is managed by the department head and ultimately will report to the CEO. So we'll be having a CEO, then the department heads, and then under the department heads there will be employee. What is the advantage of using the functional structure? If you're using a functional structure, employee will become specialized. You will have a specialized departments. Okay, this department, let's say human resource department, you have a sales department, you have a marketing department, and because of that their efficiency, expertise will be there. There will be a clear roles, responsibilities, operational efficiency will be there. Only disadvantage will be like there is a limited view to them. They might have a narrow view of the organization goal. They might feel isolated from each other in the functional structure. So, in a functional structure, if you can see now, we have a CEO, then we have a department managers, then the team leaders and the employees. So, employees report to team leader report to department manager, and department manager report to CEO. In what type of company this structure makes sense? This structure makes sense in the organization which is pretty small. Example, a small tech company who wants to have a specialized departments, they should go with this structure. We call this structure as a functional structure. So this is how your flowchart will look like: CEO, marketing manager, and under marketing manager. So each department will have the same specialized people in that. So that's how you have to categorize. This is called as functional structure. Now we will talk about divisional structure, where divisional structure comes in picture. Let's take an example. I'm an industry where I have a different divisions. Like I have a IT, I'm catering to hospitality also. I'm catering to finance also. So in such organization, divisional organization structure makes sense. So divisional organization structure group employees based on the products and projects where they are working. Each division operates on semi autonomous unit with its own resources, own objectives. So every department will have their own functional organization structure, every division. That's how we call it as a divisional structure. Advantage, we'll have a focus, flexibility, accountability. If you will make different divisions rather than everything linked to the one particular, like having a one particular department for all the divisions, that will not work. Let's say HR, like you are catering to different 10 different things, could be finance, hospitality, and you have a common HR, then that will be a problem. So you just have a separate division, and for the division then again create its own organization structure. A very good example, we have a P&G, Procter and Gamble. They have a different product lines like beauty, grooming, health, and they have the different divisions that operates independently with their own functional departments. So in a if we will talk about the divisional structure, let's see how it looks like. See here. So we have a CEO, then that particular division head, then that particular division managers, and then the team leaders, and then employees go. It goes like that. I hope with the functional and divisional is clear to all of us. Now we will move to the next structure called as matrix structure. Now, what is matrix structure? Matrix organization combine element of both functional and divisional. Employees sometimes have a dual reporting relationship, typically to both functional manager and the project managers also. And when there are dual reporting relationships, that is called as matrix organization structure. It requires a high level of coordination and communication to be effective. It sometimes create a confusion because you have a dual reporting relationships, but it's good for if you will talk from the organization perspective, it's good because you have a dual reporting at some levels, not at high levels. So who use this structure? Let's take an example of NASA use a matrix structure to manage a complex project. So this type of structure will help where the company is managing a very complex projects and you need a dual responsibility over there. So in that case, engineers report to both functional as well as project managers, ensuring that flexibility, efficient resource utilization. So in a matrix, you have a CEO, functional managers, project managers at the same level, and the employees report to it. See here the flow chart of that. A consulting firm, when they have a multiple projects and you want to put a dual responsibility for the reporting, two people you want to make responsible, and then over there that structure will be called as matrix structure. So CEO, functional managers, project managers, and employees, that's how the structure goes in matrix. In a flat hierarchy nowadays, it's in boom, right? But it doesn't work always. First, let's understand what's a flat hierarchy structure. A flat hierarchy structure will combine flat structure and hierarchy, means its minimum hierarchy levels will be there so that everyone can reach to the top management very easily. There is a speed up decision making, uh, growth will be there. But the problem is with the flat hierarchy is clarity, challenging to manage the people. That's a practical this. If we talk about a Google use the structure because they want a innovation, agility. So I always suggest that where you want to prepare a people, like a group of people to do one task, then the task will be dissolved, and then they will be going to some other task, then that is dissolved, and they keep on doing like that. Let's say we are 10 people, we have completed one project, now that project team is dissolved, let's move to the second project, that finish, that is dissolved, and we are reporting to one person for whatever the projects we are doing. And in such organization, flat hierarchy will work. So in a flat hierarchy, you will have a CEO or different teams rather than departments. You'll have a teams and then you will have a employee. Example here, this is the flow chart of flat hierarchy. Now we will be talking about network structure. A network structure relies on external partnerships to perform various functions. Like I have outsourced finance, I have outsourced something, and I need to maintain as a central role within the organization. While I have outsourced it, in that situation, I need to go with a network structure. Like Nike, they maintain a core company that handles the design, marketing, and management, while they have outsourced the manufacturing logistic to their external partners. So they have to now follow the matrix structure. In a matrix structure, let me show you a flowchart of that. See here, you have a CEO, a core company means your own internal functional structures, and then a project managers after the core company division, and then you have a external partners and you need to put a team to manage the external partners within your organization structure. Now we have understood there are different type of structures: functional division, matrix, flat hierarchy, and network. And we have also understood that in what type of company I should go with what type of structure. We understood that okay, if I'm a organization where I want a proper skill set people in a one group, then I have to go with a functional structure, and it works very well with the small organization, and also those organization who just want to group, who just want to work like a different department basis. And most of us mainly follow a functional structure. A divisional structure will be where you have more product lines as a company. Then for different divisions you have to create a division head, and then for each division head functional structure below that. A matrix structure, when you will be having a dual responsible managers where the employees will be reporting. Let's say it's a skill deck, I want to go with the matrix structure. So I will put C on the top, and then I'll put okay a project manager and let's say project manager and team manager on the same level, and I'll make employees report to both of them. That will be called as matrix structure. A flat structure, example, the people, I am there, and over there, rather than putting a teams like it's a sales team, it's a marketing team, if I will do, it will become a functional structure. What I will do, okay, we have to do these 10 tasks. You are a team to manage the marketing, you are the 10 people to do the telecalling and all. Once this task is finished, let's move to the another task. You all as a team will work, not as a department, and then you have to report to me. Where your projects are of a very shorter duration, then a flat hierarchy makes sense. Otherwise, if you are constant with the business, the same thing, you have to repeat it again and again, then it makes sense to go with a functional structure. And now we will be talking about network structure. So network structure, when you're outsourcing some divisions of your organization to other partner, then you have to make them also in your organization structure. So we have seen certain examples that what type of company nowadays is using what type of structure, like Google using a flat hierarchy, Procter and Gamble, we saw that they are using divisional structure. NASA, we have seen they are using a matrix structure. Nike, they are using a network structure, flat hierarchy. Even the Valve is using the flat hierarchy. Texas are using a metric structure. And every organization, if we will start doing it from here, functional structure McDonald is using, and they have created their structure using Microsoft Visio. Divisional structure, GE General Electric is using, and they have created their structure using Organization Weaver. That's a tool, Org Weaver. Matrix structure, Lucid Chart. It doesn't mean that you have to use one tool to create a structure. Tools are just a flowchart making platform. That's all. You can even do it in Canva, anywhere where you can create a flowchart, anywhere you can do. I will now teach you how to create what is Lucid chart and how it helps to create a organization structure. We'll do that quickly. So let me log in. Now you can create your account in Lucid chart. Once it's created, then there is an option of new and go to organization chart where they'll give you a templates on the left side. See, there is an option of a organization chart template. You click on that and you get the template. Now let's take an example. I'm making a divisional structure. So how divisional structure will look like? I'll be having a CEO and then the different divisions. If I'm making a functional structure, how it will look like? CEO, then the different departments, and then employees reporting to the department managers. So let's start with the functional structure. I'm a CEO, and then I have a different departments that I have created. And for those particular departments, let's say it's a marketing manager, SEO guy is reporting to that, marketing executive is reporting to that. Do- uh, that will become my functional structure. If you want to add more departments, you can click here, keep adding. You want to add more employee, you can click here. To the same person more employees are reporting, you can keep clicking. Like to this person, more, how more employees are reporting, keep clicking. Now, if you want to update the photo, just click on the photo in the layout. There is an option of removing the photo. You can remove the photo, upload the new photo from there. Let's say this, I just want to remove the photo. Now I want to upload the photo. uploaded. Anything what you want to change, a designation, click there. You can change whatever you want to write. So, how the functional structure will look like: CEO, the different departments, let's say marketing, sales, finance, HR, and then employees for that particular department. That is called as functional structure. If it could be division, before these departments, these functions, I would have created divisions. Could be my, I'm into healthcare, I'm into IT services, so those divisions, and then function heads for them, and then the employees reporting to them. If it could be a flat hierarchy, then how the structure will be rephrased? Then these all things I would not have done. I would have deleted these things. It would be team 1, and then we'll be having employee 1, 2, 3, whosoever will be under the team 1. Same way team 2, team 3, team 4. This will be called as flat hierarchy structure. And if you are going with the matrix structure, then you will be having a one person might, that person can report to two people. So according to that, you will make your flow chart. Once you have created these structures, so you have seen it's very easy to build on Lucid chart. You can update the photo, write name, title. Over here there are so many employee fields, if you can see over here, which you can customize. You, although in a flow chart or in an organization structure, we just put a name and a designation. If you want to write anything in their phone number, email ID, although not required, or employee ID, these things are there. You can click. Now I have clicked the supervisor ID, so one has came. Now you can edit that and write whatever you want to write over there. So fields you can edit. That Lucid chart has an option, and then there is an option of file, download, export. You can do it in PNG, PDF. That all is possible. So you would have understood now how making organization structure on Lucid chart is so simple, right? If you have liked today's video, hit like, comment, share, keep updating me that what are the other topics you want to learn. I'll be waiting for your comments. Keep sharing the channel with other HR members, and do watch our website www.theskilldeck.com. I'll see you in other video. By then, take care. Bye bye.